Hi everyone, my name is Sullivan-Wiley and I serve as the co-chair of both the Social Science and Partners in Knowledge Transfer working groups of the Ecological Forecasting Initiative. While these groups and their missions do overlap, they represent distinct focal areas. The Social Science group has a focus on advancing scientific theory and knowledge through use-oriented scientific research. The Partners group is focused on fostering collaborations and forecast co-production to help make sure that good, reliable, and useful forecasts get into the hands of people who can use them. The work and members of the social science group reflect multiple social science disciplines: behavioral science, geography, decision theory, and others. And the crux of what we think about is how to improve the forecasting cycle by engaging emerging challenges in ecological forecasting. Throughout this process, our lens is on the people involved. This diagram highlights some of these people in the orange boxes in the center and the roles they play throughout the forecasting process in the blue boxes on the right and left. Scientists make up one set of people in this process, but we are also interested in asking questions about the role of resource managers, of policymakers, and other decision makers relevant in the use of forecasts, collecting and providing data that facilitate forecasts, and who play key roles in funding, disseminating, and improving forecasts. Some of these topics appear in a blog series available on the EFI website. An early post by Kathy Gerst focused on how partnerships between forecasters and forecast users can improve forecast visualization to make outputs relevant for a wider range of decisions. An upcoming post by Gureha Topoglu deals with our understanding of how forecasts may be formalized into policy. An upcoming post by Mike Gerst will look at anchoring bias, which has implications for how scientists estimate range or point values in a model or forecast. And the last research theme relates to the integration of people into the ways we think about ecology in coupled human natural or socio-environmental systems, which is a huge area of interdisciplinary social and natural science research. The group has also completed a scope of work living document with our main functions and activities, which can be found on the EFI website. The Partners group has developed a similar document, our Terms of Reference, which specifies who we are and what we spend our time and energy doing. It is also available on the EFI website. We've also been working with partners, including an exciting new connection with AGU's Thriving Earth Exchange, to develop a system to help link people throughout the forecasting process, but especially forecast designers with people who are in need of a particular forecast. Finally, the Partners group is working on compiling resources and guidelines around team science, co-production, collaboration, and science communication, all of which are fundamental components of good FE partnerships. So the work of both groups is ongoing and developing. And right now, we're really excited about the opportunities posed by the Neon Forecasting Challenge. We will be conducting research alongside the challenge and as part of the challenge. This work relates to forecast skill assessment, expert elicitation practices, the integration of human drivers into forecasts, and how forecasts can be used in decision support tools. For real-world forecasts like these, we must consider the endpoint decision when determining what to forecast and how to communicate it. To do this work, social scientists and partners need to be involved from day one. So, in these groups, we want to advance social science in general, and connect ecological forecasters with partners outside of academia and the natural sciences. So to that end, please do check out the blog and the group's scopes of work and terms of reference. You can also get more directly involved in any number of ways, which are linked here on the EFI website. Both groups work to make useful forecasts that get used to achieve better decisions. If that sounds like something you'd like to help make happen, please do join us. Thank you.